Alright, stick your up.
Hello once again, and welcome to another, what some people may consider boring, cable replacement job. The only reason I'm doing this video is because the piece of equipment I've got is really lovely, and I just wanted to share it with you. First of all, there's the Dansette Regina auto change record player, quite nice, and it's written up as a stereo record player. More of that in a minute, but it comes with it did come with a plug-in cable like this, with a three socket connector one end, and I put a standard UK standard plug on the other end, and that simply plugs in the back. That originally came with just a 2 cable lead. A little bit fiddly to fit these, but at least it's done and ready to go. And also it had stereo sockets on it. One on here and one on here to be connected together. Now this is just basically it's just a Regina stereo amplifier, and it's Dansette again, and it comes with 3 sockets, one for external speaker, one for what's that one for? Let me have the light a minute. One for tape and one for stereo. Now we're not too interested in the external speaker one or the tape one, and this mirrors the same. The one we are interested in is this one here, which is the socket to connect the two together to make it a stereo machine. Now the problem with that is that these sockets are the plugs to fit these sockets are virtually redundant now, and the leads for them are almost impossible to get. So what I've had to do with this one is modify put an ordinary socket in here, phono socket, and a phono socket in there. That meant excuse me, that meant just enlarging the hole a little bit, reaming it out, and putting the socket in. It does stick up a little bit from the other two, but at least it's visible. With the 2 sockets fitted, it's possible just to connect an ordinary phono lead between the record player and the amplifier, and just connect them together. Then you have basically a stereo Dansette record player, which is excellent. Okay, I've now located the phono cable I've made up for it between the two, so let's fire it up, see if the cable fits, and see what it sounds like. I can only play you a brief snatch of the music because of copyright reasons, but it will give you an idea of how good this vintage Dansette record player and separate stereo amplifier sounds. So let's do that. Turn this one on, and this one. First of all, I'll play a snatch of this one without that connected.
Esgourdez rien qu'un instant la voilante du pauvre Jean, que les femmes n'aimaient pas, mais n'oubliez pas, dans la vie y a qu'une morale, qu'on soit riche ou sans un sou, sans amour on est rien du tout. On est rien du tout. Il vivait au jour le jour, dans la soie et le velours, il pionçait dans de beaux draps, mais n'oubliez.
Okay, a little bit of Edith Piaf there, and as you can see, it sounds very good indeed. So that really is the 2 machines connected together. Not much more to say, just new mains leads on them, and they now sound really, really good. So thanks for watching this very short video, but thanks for looking at some really good vintage record playing equipment. Thank you. Until soon, goodbye.
Laisse dans la mer et puis viens, moi j'ai du bonheur à t'offrir. Ma
right, stick her up and get in at the negotiation.